Imagine a plane ticket that cost the equivalent of $12,000 today. One way, it wasn't about speed. It was about this: dining at a table with white linens, crystal glass, and waiter service, at 8,000 feet above the Atlantic. This is the Boeing 314 Clipper, the greatest flying boat ever built. In 1939, it didn't have rows of cramped seats. It had compartments. It had separate dressing rooms for men and women. And at night, the 74 seats converted into 40 full-sized sleeping bunks. But looking at these black and white photos feels distant, like a ghost story. My goal with FTimagens is to break that barrier. When you restore the color, you realize these weren't just old machines. They were vibrant, metallic, loud, and incredibly beautiful. It took a master crew to fly this giant. Before GPS navigators guided the ship by reading the stars through a hatch in the roof. The flight deck was larger than the cabin of a modern airliner. It was the chosen transport for history makers. President Roosevelt celebrated his birthday on board, and Winston Churchill even took the controls during the war. But the golden age was short. When war came, the luxury liners were painted in camouflage and drafted for service. Sadly, technology moved too fast. By 1946, concrete runways and jet engines made the flying boats obsolete. Most were scrapped. All 12 original Clippers were scrapped. A replica exists in a museum, but these colorized photos capture the real soul of the 1940s. Don't let the history fade away. Get your print at the link in bio.